The button panel performs several actions through the 3 physical buttons on the top of the device. These are the cycle button, the home button, and the lock button. These come pre-programmed with set actions. A short press on the cycle button will cycle through the 3 default grips: the flexi tool, the tripod, and the key grip. And a long press will turn the audio on or off again. A short press on the home button will return the hand to its home grip. By default, this is the general grasp. A long press will return the hand to its second home grip. By default, this is the pincer grip. A short press on the lock button will lock or unlock the hand. A long press will turn the Bluetooth on, and pressing again will turn it off. An extra long hold will activate the Bluetooth pairing mode.